Hey YouTube, it is the 7th day of Xcode tutorial week. It's very depressing, but it's very happy at the same time. Today will be the second last day. I've decided that we're going to be doing 8 days, so it's a little bit more than a week, but it's from Sunday to Sunday, and it just makes more sense. But it's very depressing. But today, as you've probably seen before, it's a link to somewhere. So what that means, like, I have a link to my YouTube channel, and this would be done by a IB action and a button, obviously. And this can be whatever you want. It can be a link to somewhere, anywhere on the web. So, yeah, a web link. I should put that right there. Web link. Okay, let's get straight into it. Open up Xcode and create a new project. Make sure it is a single view application, and we're going to call this, for the purpose of the tutorial, web link through button. Actually, let's just do web link. As always, I will be using the iPhone and storyboards because it is new. The newest, and you might as well use the newest because the older is just going to get older. But unless you need to use the old one, go ahead and use the old one. But save this to the desktop for easy access. And first thing we have to do is we have to go into the .h file and open up. Actually, sorry, we don't actually need to open up. We actually have to show this for you guys to see. But in here, just write IB action. And in here, web link. Oh, and semicolon. And in the view controller.m file, just under the implementation, write. Oh no, sorry. We actually have to take off that part. There. In here, write IB action. And web link, close that off again, and open and close the brackety things. Please tell me what they are. I'm not looking at them on Google. I've determined that. But inside here, just open up two actual brackets and write UI application, shared application, close one bracket, open URL, and the URL. Sorry, not the URL. Open one bracket, NS URL, URL with string, and the first one actually. And here, just the @ and two quotation marks. Close two brackets and the semicolon. Inside the quotation, just enter a link. So http://youtube.com/Cairo-apps. There. So in here, it means that it's basically just showing you this. It's going to open this link when you press this button. So go ahead into the main storyboard. Can just, I'll pause this right now if you need the code, but 3, 2, 1, okay, now it's gone. In here, just make sure the size is 3.5, orientation, let's make it landscape for this tutorial. Let's just make it different, and let's get rid of that status bar, who cares. With a round rect button, I'm just gonna center it and make it big. How's that? Big enough? Okay, in here, I'm just going to call it Cairo Apps YouTube. There. Let's change the font. So this is actually showing you how to change the font. If you have a button or anything, it should be just under font. select the text, the T there, and select font and custom. In here you can just choose whatever font you want. I like that one. Let's just change the size of the thing, and let's set it to light. Okay, so now when you select this, actually go into the connections and drag web link over to your button and select touch up inside, which is mostly used for all buttons. So now what it will do is when you select this button, it will open up the web link that you have set inside here. So let's go ahead and run the project here. Okay, there's the simulator. And now this should automatically go into the landscape, which it does. And the reason why the status bar is still there is because you do not have it set in your info.plist. So if you want to have your status bar gone, just under like the last one, select the plus button. Oh yeah, we're not in the thing here. Go into the info.plist and click the plus button just under the last one and scroll down until you see status bar is initially hidden. And over here, just select yes. So now when you run it, it would have no status bar. As you can see, now it's gone. That was actually like three things in one, so hope you like that. Let's just select this, and it'll go right back to portrait, and there's my channel. As you can see, it's perfectly fine. It's basically Safari. It is Safari, sorry. And it's, yeah. So say we were going to change the link just to show you guys. You can actually change this to, let's go YouTube's homepage. So now it should just load up YouTube, and there it is. And also their banner thing, whatever. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked the tutorial. Please leave a comment below if you have any video suggestions. I already have a couple, and I will be acknowledging that in this video. It's going to be about storyboards and how to make certain buttons do what and lead to different views. I'll make that tutorial possibly in the next 2 days or 3 days. So watch out for that, the person who wanted that. Also, if you have a video suggestion and don't want to write it in the comment section below, you can Skype me at kylegreenlaw. You can just search that up on Skype. And that's it. I hope you like this tutorial on how to make a web link with a button. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.